Atlantic Limousine and Transportation, delivering excellence in safety. All vehicles are thoroughly sanitized, both pre and post trip. Seat belts, recliner handles, armrests, front and back of seats, and all USB ports. Your safety is our top priority. All vehicles have been upgraded with plexiglass partition shields to better ensure our client's safety and provide you with a peace of mind. Complimentary sanitation packs are stocked in all of our sedans and SUVs. All vehicles are sprayed with a microbiostatic agent using an electrobiostatic sprayer. This prevents growth of odor-causing bacteria and fungi, which cause staining, discoloration, and algae. All drivers have their temperatures taken before shifts to ensure that there are no fevers present, and are also required to wear masks and gloves during all vehicle cleaning and inspections. Drivers are also required to wear masks during every trip. All vehicles are thoroughly inspected inside and out by chauffeurs to ensure vehicle safety for all passengers. Quality customer service, executive transportation. Atlantic Limousine and Transportation, delivering excellence in safety.